As we celebrate Gendun Chögyal Nyema's birthday, we also remember his disappearance for the last 25 years. To press on Chinese government for his immediate release, Tibetan administration has launched a campaign, a global campaign, demanding his immediate release. Unfortunately, because of the coronavirus pandemic, which originated in Wuhan, we are not able to do the physical lobbying, but we are doing the virtual lobbying all over the world. Mainly our offices of Tibet around the world, in partnership with Tibet support groups and Tibetan associations, will participate in month-long events all over the world from 25th April to May 17th, the day he disappeared or got kidnapped. We will have petitions submitted in various governments, particularly to the United Nations and specifically to the Commission on Child Disappearance in Geneva. We urge the United Nations to hold a hearing about the case of Gendun Chögyal Nyema and demand his immediate release. And I hope the Chinese government will pay heed to the global appeal and at least allow Gendun Chögyal Nyema to be with his family members, to be with the Tibetan community in Tibet. I want to thank our friends, Tibet support groups and Tibetan associations around the world for participating in this effort. This is a case of human rights. This is a case of religious freedom, which are fundamental rights of the Tibetan people and humanity as a whole. Thank you.